Hello guys, today I want to give you a tutorial about how to connect to the internet with aeroplane mode. This trick very useful for you when you want to connect to the internet without wasting full your battery. But not every smartphone can do this trick because this trick can give you information about your smartphone is original or not. And how to do it? First, turn on airplane mode in your smartphone. After you turn on airplane mode, go to icon phone and enter this code to your smartphone. After Windows change, you see main menu in your smartphone like phone information, battery information, usage statistic, and Wi-Fi information. You just need choose phone information. After you choose it, use information about your phone like your signal or your smartphone connect to internet or not, and many others. You see in cellular radio power, you need to turn on it. After you turn on it, you need to run ping test. You see in GPRS service, if it is view connected, you can try to open YouTube to check your internet is working or not. If it's working, you just need to have fun. I think that's it. This tutorial for you, but this tutorial not give you to connect to the internet free. You need to pay too, but I think it's working to you. Yes. See you next time. See you next time and have fun.